Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yul from Yul Art Designs. Today I'm gonna show you my first time experience using colored pencils. I'm gonna use the brand PRISMACOLOR PREMIER. I ordered this from Shopee. Ito po yung price niya. And then yung pampalis natin, yung paper, I'm gonna use Bristol paper, Strathmore. So the size is around 11 inches by 14 inches. So I'm gonna only use, hindi yung buong gagamitin ko talaga. Yung size lang na i-create ko is around 9.5 by 11.5. So yung plano kong i-drawing si Kobe Bryant po. Dahil birthday po niya last August 23. So let's get started. Sorry guys, I need to repeat this artwork. I'm not happy with the result. The rendering is not good. The eye area is dark over contrast. The horizontal lines are too sharp. The layering colors are wrong. Anyway, as I have said, this is just my first time. Along the way, I will learn from my mistakes. Okay lang yan guys. We all make mistakes naman eh. What's more important is we are not afraid to start all over again. Ito na-observe ko when I used colored pencil. When it comes to layering, the first layer, which is the base color, has to be light. When you render the line direction, you should do horizontal or vertical. Like for example, my first layer here is horizontal, and so my second layer should be vertical sana. Dito ako nagkamali. Because if the first and second layers are done on the same direction, you will not get the right color merging. So if you are in a hurry, I guess colored pencil is not the right medium for you. Now, I am going to show you my new drawing. I started from scratch and made a new sketch. Here, I used cream color, light peach, yung regular peach color, and canary yellow as my base color. Then I used sienna brown or burnt ochre as my second overlay color. For the dark shading, I used terracotta and some dark umber with a combination of orange to make it more vibrant. So yun lang po guys. Another thing guys, when you apply your pencil to your paper, make sure lang na when you hold the pencil, it is really very soft, and then when you apply it, make sure na really it has to be really soft din, kasi when you hold it really hard and you apply it really hard, yung papel din masisira, and then the merging will also be affected. Yun lang po.